Hello everyone. Today I'm going to solve some exercise and problems from groundwater chapter. So here I have taken one questions. So an aquifer has a cross sections with a horizontal width of 265 meter and a vertical thickness below the groundwater table of 42 meter. The water table 36 meter below the ground surface. Each day, one day, 3,340 cube meter of water is discharged through the cross-section area. The aquifer rock has an effective porosity of 27.1%. So in here, how we can solve this problem? So we have to find out the Darcy spreads, and then we have to also determine the actual spread of the water as it passes through the aquifer. So what will happen? The first things we will note down all the informations that is available from the our questions. All right, so like all the informations that is available that we can note down. So you can see here the horizontal width 265 meter. All right, thickness 42 meter, water table is below 36 meter below the ground surface. Each day, one day 24 hours, the time is 24 hours. So what I'm going to do, I'm just convert hours to seconds. All right, then we have a volume 3,340 cube meter. All right, once I get the V, the volume, and I have the T, so easily I can find out the discharge. So what is the formula for the discharge? So discharge formula is V over T. So the V is 3,340 divided 86,400 seconds. So I will get my discharge in cube meter per second. All right, now once I get the Q, so now I have to find out the area. Okay, so already I know I have the width and the height, so I can use the area formula to get this. So I will get 1.113 times 10 power 4 square meter. All right, so now we have the A and also we have the Q. So now I can get the Darcy spread. Just I will use the formula from the appendix. You can see here, this is the formula that we can use to get the Darcy spread. So Q equal AVD. All right, so I just plug in the value. In this case, you can see the Q already I found out from here. So AV equal 1.13 times 10 power 4 times VD. So this is the Darcy spread that we will get. Just plug in the value and we will get the spread, Darcy spread. So Darcy spread in the meter per second. All right, so that's the way that we can find out the Darcy spread. So now we will go to find out the actual spread of the water as it passes through the aquifer. So the actual spread also have a formula. So I will go back to the appendix. Okay, so I will get the VDNYV. Okay, so from the Darcy spread I know the VD, right, but I don't know the NY and the V. Okay, so we also know the NY value. So what is the NY value? The NY value is the porosity, or like the effective porosity. Okay, so NY equal to 27.1%. so what I am going to do, I am just trying to make it divided by 100. So I will get the NY value equal 0.271. All right, so once I get the NY value, I have the VD value. So easily if I plug in the plug all those value into this equation, so I will get the actual spread. So this is the actual